In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a top-rated seller on eBay, covering both the necessary requirements and the benefits that come along with it. First, let's understand what being a top-rated seller means. Essentially, top-rated sellers are eBay's most trusted and consistent community members. They stand out by meeting higher standards in customer service, shipping speed, and reliability, which is no small feat. But obtaining this status can significantly boost your reputation and sales on eBay. To begin your journey towards top-rated seller status, there are specific criteria you must meet. First, your eBay seller account must be at least 90 days old. This shows eBay and your potential buyers that you have some experience under your belt and are committed to building a reliable selling history. Next, you'll need to have completed at least 100 transactions with a total of $1,000 or more in sales within the past 12 months, specifically on the US site. This volume not only demonstrates your ability to conduct regular business, but also assures eBay that you're a serious seller. Another crucial factor is maintaining a transaction defect rate of less than 0.5%. This means you should not have more than 3 defects from unique buyers. A low defect rate indicates that your transactions are smooth and that you're satisfying your customers regularly. Additionally, it's essential to keep your late shipment rate below 3%. Timeliness is key in e-commerce, and by ensuring your shipments are sent out on time, you maintain customer satisfaction and avoid potential complaints. Tracking information should also be uploaded on time for at least 95% of your tracked items. Buyers love being informed about their purchases' progress, and prompt tracking updates build trust and improve your service rating. Moreover, the rate of cases closed without a seller resolution must be under 0.3%. This metric highlights how well you handle disputes and work towards a satisfactory conclusion for all parties involved. Now that you know the requirements to become a top-rated seller, let's explore the benefits. One significant advantage is increased search visibility. As a top-rated seller, your listings are prioritized and rank higher in eBay's search results, which can dramatically increase exposure to potential buyers. Additionally, you'll receive a 10% discount on final value fees for eligible listings when you use top-rated plus services. This reduction can translate into significant savings over time. You will also have a top-rated seller badge displayed on your listings. This badge acts as an instant trust signal to buyers, assuring them of your reliability and quality of service. Furthermore, you qualify to offer top-rated plus shipping perks, which leads to faster handling expectations, and in some markets you might even enjoy priority support, giving you direct access to eBay's assistance should you need it. There's no doubt that becoming a top-rated seller requires diligence and commitment, but the rewards are well worth the effort. By striving to meet and maintain these standards, you play a crucial role in enhancing eBay's ecosystem of trusted sellers and satisfied buyers.